Hello everyone and welcome to a new series here on my channel called The Bridal Diaries. So today, 23rd of October 2020 should have been the most special day of my life, my wedding day. But because of the pandemic and because of what's happening in the world right now, we have to move it on a further date for our safety and for everyone's safety as well. So today's makeup tutorial is not your ordinary makeup tutorial because the look that we're going for today is how I envisioned myself to look like as I walk down the aisle on my very special day. But delay does not mean denial. As the Word of God says in Isaiah 60 verse 22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. This delay taught me that I may have already made a good plan for my life, but still, the Lord's perfect will is what's gonna happen. We just need to trust His ways. So, all of the products that I used for this makeup tutorial will be linked on the description box down below, just in case you guys want to check it out. Now we're done with the kilay. So it's really nice and clean and carved, and we're moving on to the eyeshadow. So I'm starting off with an eyeshadow primer, just so the eyeshadow will last longer. That's why I put the primer. But seriously, you have to put on the primer because you want your eyeshadow to last from the ceremony until the reception, until the end of the day basically. So yeah, use the primer. And the eyeshadow colors that I'm using right now are all neutral colors. And I'm starting off with a cool tone taupey brown shade. Guys, I'm not really good in describing shades, so I'll try my best here, okay? Moving on. So our next shade, we're using a champagne color and we're putting it all over our eyelids to give it a subtle glow and a subtle pop. You know, the bridal glow that we're looking for. And then to deepen the outer corner or the outer V, we're using a deeper taupey brown shade just on the outer V, or the outer corners of the eyes. And then to highlight the brow bone, we're using a very light skin tone shade, a matte one. And to deepen the outer corner more, we're using a burgundy brownish shade. Yeah, it's burgundy brownish, right? Something like that. And we're done with the eyes for now. So we're moving on to the face products, and I'm combining this to foundation slash BB cream combo to get that perfect glow and that coverage at the same time, the bridal glow that I'm talking about, you're gonna see in a second when we blend it out. Wow, that rhymes. Okay, back to my story while we're blending the foundation out. Actually, at first, it's not the easiest to accept the fact that we have to delay the wedding and we have to move the dates, and we have to cancel certain plans. But there's a promise of the Lord in Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, which says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So I may not understand it now why the delay happened, but soon I'm gonna understand it. All I have to do is trust the plans of the Lord, because He says He's not gonna harm me, He's gonna prosper me, He's gonna give me a hope, and He's gonna give me a future. And also, there's a perfect peace, a calm spirit that goes hand in hand when we're trusting the Lord. Peace that nothing in this world can ever offer. So if you're ever facing a delay in anything right now, remember, delay does not mean denial. Alright, so I kinda look funny here because I'm already baking my face, but this is gonna help the makeup or the foundation stay on its place for the whole day. So as what you saw, I didn't keep the powder on my face for a very long time because I have dry skin. So I just want my makeup to basically set. And we're moving on to my favorite face trio from Ever Belena, and I'm using the contour shade to contour the hollows of my face. This is the perfect contour shade for me, not too warm, not too cool, perfect for Morena girls out there. And for blush, I'm using this one from Etude House. Also a perfect blush shade for me. Not too pink, not too corally. The perfect neutral blush for my skin. And my favorite, all-time favorite nose contour from Etude House Face Color Shading. So I'm gonna link the shade on the description box down below. And to add that glow on my cheeks, I'm using this shimmery blush from She Glam. I like it. Just take a look at the glow. Wow, that's the glow girl. But she ain't glowing enough. She's still gonna use some highlighters. So I'm using the one from Everbelena Face Trio. So back to the eyeshadow, I'm using the darker taupey brown shade on my lower lash line. And for a pop of color on the inner corner, I'm using this gold shimmery shade from the same eyeshadow palette. Then I'm using this eyeliner from Nichido to Tightline. And this is not the easiest thing to do, but it makes such a huge difference. And then we're moving back to the eyebrows. So I'm setting the eyebrows using this Brow Fonders in the shade Dark from Skin Potions. I really like this one too. You just have to be careful because the spoolie gets a lot of product. So you have to take some off. And then I'm using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild, the skinny one. And then after that, I'm just curling my lashes. So this eyelash curler is from Etude House. And then I'm gonna use my all-time favorite mascara, the Maybelline Total Temptation. I really like this one. This is really nice. Is it just me or what? But I know I'm not the only one making funny faces when we're putting on mascara, especially on the lower lash line. So I try to cover my mouth so you guys won't see the funny face. And I'm using this very natural pair of eyelashes from Daiso. And I'm removing now the lip mask from Laneige. And for the lip color, I'm using the Colorette color tint in the shade Ava. And this is my fiance's favorite lipstick in my entire collection. And he complimented me so much when I've worn it. So I wanted to wear it on our special day. And basically, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope this video inspires you. And to my fellow bride-to-bees out there, I hope you guys are doing well. And please feel free to share any advice or any tips on wedding preparations on the comment section down below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the episode 1 of my bridal diaries. And I will see you on my next one. Sending much love to all of you. Bye! Mwah.